हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। सो गाइस, समर्स आ गई हैं और डॉग्स का समर्स में बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है अबाउट देयर ईटिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग हैबिट्स, देयर ग्रूमिंग। और डॉग ओनर्स को कई बार बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं अपने डॉग्स को हैंडल करने में। So, to answer all these questions, today we have a very skilled veterinarian who is serving at a very renowned veterinary center in Delhi. So, let's start. तो गाइज, आज हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर विजयदीप एंड ही इज सर्विंग एज अ हेड वेट इन दिल्ली.
Hello guys, I am here at Charu's place. I am Dr. Vijaydeep from Crown Vet Delhi and I'm here to discuss a lot of things about dogs, particularly dogs, as she has their own pet called Sweetie and she regularly posts videos. Okay, so handing the camera over to you. So the first question from her was, why do dogs drink less or eat less in summer? So the main and the temperature of summers, usually it is very high, and during that temperature the body PMR, the body metabolic rate, goes slow, and that's why they take more time to digest their food, and ultimately they eat less to compensate that time. This is one reason. Second, if they are not, in that case we need to make sure that they are having enough water to prevent their kidneys. Ultimately it can go down to the kidney dysfunction, which you will notice some dark urine or thick urine in summers. So the only thing that you need to take care in summers is give them enough water with added electrolytes sometimes. That is the normal thing that you can do.
Okay.
Second question from was how whether to trim the hairs or not. So basically, if the breed is having very full grown hair and like Sweetie and Binny, so in certain conditions we need to trim it, but not to complete trimming. We need to do like 1/3 of the hair length. So with that we can prevent the moisture absorption, basically the heat exchange of the body. Plus, but we should not do the trimming throughout the year to prevent it from, because skin acts as a natural barrier. It protects the body from ticks and fleas and all the other infections. If hairs are gone, then the skin will be more prone to the infections. So it would be better not to trim throughout the year. There are specific seasons like in summers that you can do, but otherwise it is not recommended. So the third question from her was whether the pet owners who has the pets, should they vaccinate themselves against the rabies whenever their pet bites them or not. So as far as I can assure that if you have pet, you must have vaccinated your pets regularly with the rabies vaccination since their birth. So if it is vaccinated completely and if there is normal scratch, that you can clean it with Savlon solution and put some ointment, antibacterial ointment. Otherwise, if they bite you aggressively and the blood comes out, then definitely you need to take a shot. But if it is happening like continuously, you need to take the immunoglobulins plus anti-rabies vaccination, do a full course of 5 days, and then you can stop. And accordingly, then you don't need to do the vaccinations every now and then. You just need to take care of dogs' vaccination status every year.
Okay.
So the fourth question from her was whether to neuter the pet, and neuter is basically the removal of reproductive organs. In male we remove the testicles and in females we remove the ovaries. So I would suggest to neuter them before they turn old. Old means it should be less than 5 to 6 years old. If they are not keen on breeding them, if they want to have puppies, then do it. Otherwise, just neuter them, because in their old age it can lead to lots of problems. In females, the major problem is the pyometra, that is infection gets built up in the uterus and it leads to distended stomach, and that is an emergency situation in which we need to open it up and we remove the ovaries and uterus. And in dogs, the prostate gets enlarged, it leads to problem in the urination and it causes bleeding also. So it would be better if you neuter your pet before they turn like 5 to 6 years of age. That's it.
सो लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज़, आप पेट ओनर्स को क्या टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स देना चाहेंगे उनके डॉग की बेटर हेयर केयर एंड ऑल अबाउट दैट?
So there are a lot of things, but to make it short, I'll keep it to like 1 or 2 points. First thing is the dental hygiene, and this is very important. We need to make sure that their dental is very good. You need to brush them daily, at least once or like 5 to 6 times in a week, if it is to maintain a good health. If it is like you are noticing some yellow or plaque forming on the dental, then do it more often, and you can add some dog dental supplements with probiotics and everything.
Binny and Sweetie. So thank you so much, Dr. Saab, for your valuable suggestions. They really mean a lot to us.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye, sweetie.
Few moments later.
So guys, ये है स्वीटी का सारा सामान. दिस इज़ द टॉय बास्केट. और सी दिस वॉज कैरेट, जो अब पता नहीं क्या है. एंड दिस वॉज अनदर वन. तो मैं आपको बिफ़ोर और आफ्टर की फ़ोटो दिखाऊंगी इनकी, एंड जस्ट सी द डिफरेंस. एंड दिस इज़ द कॉम्ब, दिस इज़ द बोन. ये स्वीटी का ब्रश है. सी शी इज़ एक्साइटेड अबाउट ब्रशिंग. स्वीटी, नो 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 नो. दिस इज़ वैक्सीनेशन कार्ड. स्वीटी, वेट वेट वेट. ओके, सिट sit sit. Okay, sit. Good baby. This is vaccinations, and this is Sweetie's feed. See her. और ये स्वीटी का शैम्पू है. सी शी वांट्स इट. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, then hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next vlog. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.